Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.2 question number 1 to 13 of ML Agarwal class 9th mathematics. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we are going to discuss exercise 4.2 question number 1 to 13. So let us start solving the exercise. Let us start solving here. Exercise 4.2. First question and first part of this is x square plus xy minus x minus y. Here in this exercise we have to take factors and make common factors if available in the problem. So let us take common from here. Here x is common, we can see x plus y minus 1. So x plus y here also. So we get on taking common x minus 1 and x plus y is the answer in the first part. Now second part in this question is y square minus yz minus 5y plus 5z. So on taking common here we get y minus z minus 5 and y minus z. So on taking it common, we will get y minus z, y minus 5 as the answer in this question. Now let us solve question number 2 first part, which is 5xy plus 7y minus 5y square and minus 7x. So on solving this, we will take common here. In this we can take 5 as common, so here 5y. So we can take as x minus y. Now here we can take common as 7 y. Let us take common as minus 7. So we will get x minus y. So on taking common 5y minus 7 here and x minus y is the answer in this question. Let us solve here question 2 second part. So second part is 5p square minus 8pq minus 10p plus 16q. So here we can write it as 5p square minus 10p minus 8pq plus 16q. So here we have 5p as common. So we will get p minus 2. Here we can take common as 8q. So here we will get p minus 2. So this is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the first question, which is a square b minus ab square plus 3a minus 3b. On solving this, we can take here common as a, and here also as here we can take as b. So a here we can take as AB, so it will get A minus B plus 3A minus B. So AB plus 3 and here A minus B is the answer in this question. Now third question, second part here says that x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 3. So here in this we can take x square as common, so x minus 3 plus 1 x minus 3. So it is equal to x square plus 1. Here x minus 3 is the answer in this question. Now let us solve the fourth question. First part, which is 6xy square minus 3xy minus 10y plus 5. So here we can take common as x and y. So 3xy. Here 2y minus 1. Here we can take common as minus 5. So y minus 1. 2y minus 1 is the answer here in this question. Now the second part is on writing this we can write it as 3xy minus 5 and here 2y minus 1. Now the second part of fourth question is 3ax minus 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx. So here we can take common from this and this. So 3a, here x minus 2y, here we can take common as minus 4b. So we can write it as 4b. Let us take it. So we can write it x minus 2y as the answer. So we can write here 3a plus 4b. Here x minus 2y is the answer in this question. Now let us solve the fifth question. First part is 1 minus a minus b plus ab. So in the first part we can take common as 1 minus a. Now here minus b, so 1 minus a. We can write it as 1 minus b and 1 minus a as the answer here in this question. Now the fifth question, second part here says that a minus 2b minus c plus 2bc. So it becomes a square minus 2ab minus ac plus 2bc here. Here we can take common as a. So a minus c. Here we can take common as minus plus 2b. So here we can write a. Let it take minus 2b. So a minus c here. We can write a minus 2b and here a minus c as the answer in this question. Now let us solve the sixth question, which is x square plus xy, here 1 plus y ka cube. So here we will get x square plus xy plus xy square plus y cube. So x as taking common here, we will get x plus y. Here taking y square as common, we will get y square, and here x plus y. We can write it as x plus y square and here x plus y as the answer here in this question. Now the second part in the question here is 6 second, y square minus xy and 1 minus x की power cube. So y square minus xy plus x square y minus x की power cube. Here we can take common as y. So y minus x. Here we can take common as x square. So y minus x. We can write it as y plus x square and y minus x. So this is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the seventh first part, which is ab square plus a minus 1b minus 1. So here ab square plus ab minus b minus 1. So here taking common, we will get ab b plus 1, here minus, so b plus 1. We can write it as ab minus 1 and here b plus 1 as the answer in this question. Now let us solve the seventh second part, which is 2a minus 4b minus xa plus 2bx. We can write it as 2a minus xa, here minus 4b plus 2bx, equal to, taking a as common, we will get 2 minus x, taking 2 here as common, 2b, so minus 2b, here 2, we will get 2 plus minus x here. So we can write it as a minus 2b and here 2 minus x as the answer in this question. Let us solve the first question here, which is 5ph minus 10qk plus 2rph minus 4qrk. So here we can write it as 5ph plus 2rph minus 4qrk minus 10qk. Now we can take pH as common here. So 5 plus 2r. Now minus 2qk we can take here as common. So firstly we will write here 5 plus 2r. So pH minus 2pk, 2qk, and here 5 plus 2r is the answer here in this question. Now second question here is x square minus x a plus 2b plus 2ab here. So on solving this, we will get x square minus ax plus 2bx minus 2bx plus 2ab. Here we can take common from somewhat as x. So x, here we will get x minus a. Here we will take common as plus 2b. So we will get minus 2b we will take as common. So we will get x minus a as the value here. Now it becomes x minus 2b and x minus a as the answer here in this question. Now the ninth question here is first part is ab x square plus y square minus xy a square plus b square. So on solving this, we will get, firstly we will rearrange it. So ab x square minus xy b square, now plus ab y square and minus xy a square here. So we will take from here bx as common, we will get ax minus by. Now from here ay as common, we will get by minus ax as common. We can write it as bx plus bx ax minus by, and here minus ay, so we will get ax minus by. Now we can write it in the common factor. So bx minus ay is the common factor and ax minus by is the answer here in this question. Now the second part here is ax plus by का whole square plus bx minus ay का whole square. On taking the square here, we will get a square x square plus b square y square here plus 2ax by plus b square x square plus a square y square minus 2bx ay. This will whole cancel out from here as it contains all the value here. Now we will rearrange this a square x to take common, and here a square y square we will put. Now here we will put b square y square plus b square x square. From here we will take common as a square, so x square plus y square. Now from here b square, so x square plus y square. We can write it as common factor here, a square plus b square and x square plus y square is the answer here in this question. Now the 10th question here is, first part is a cube plus ab, here 1 minus 2a minus 2b square. On solving this, we will get a cube plus ab minus 2a square b minus 2b square. So firstly we will rearrange to take common from this. We will write it as a cube minus 2a square b. Now here plus ab minus 2b square. Here we can write as common as a square, a minus 2b. Now here we can take common as b. So a minus 2b again. We can write it as a square plus b, and here a minus 2b as the answer here in this question. Now the second part of 10th question is 3x square y minus 3xy plus 12x minus 12. We can take common from this also. So we can write it as 3x square. Firstly we will take common here. So xy. Now x minus 1 will be left here. Here we will take common as 12. So x minus 1 again, we can write it as 3xy plus 12 and x minus 1 as the common factor answer here in this question on factorization. Now let us solve the 11th question here. So 11th question says that a square b plus ab square minus abc minus b square c plus axy plus bxy. Here we have to factorize. So firstly we will rearrange here. We can write it as a square b minus abc. Now axy here, so we can write it as bx plus ab square. So plus ab square here. Now we can write b square c and bxy. Now we will take common from here. We will take ab from here. So a minus c. Now from here we will take common as from here we will take common as a only. So we will get ab minus bc plus xy. From here we will take common b. So plus b, ab minus bc plus xy. Here we can write it as a plus b and ab minus bc plus xy as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the 12th question, first part. So 12th question, first part is ax square minus bx square plus ay square minus by square plus az square minus bz square. We can write it in by taking common as a here, x square from here and y plus y square, now plus z square. Now we can take common here minus b and here then again x square plus y square plus z square. Now we can write it in the form a minus b x square plus y square plus z square as the answer here in this question. Now the last question of this exercise, 13th question, which says that x minus 1 minus x minus 1 ka whole square plus ax minus a. We have to factorize it. So we can write it by expanding as x minus 1 minus x square plus, so minus 1, then here minus 2x, so here it will be plus 2x plus ax minus a. Here we can rearrange it by 2x minus x square plus ax minus 2 here because we will add this 2 and plus x minus a. Here we will take common x, so 2 minus x plus a. Here we will take common minus 1, we will get 2 minus x plus a. We can write it in the form x minus 1, 2 minus x plus a as the answer in this question.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.